to dust. I'm down to nothing.
Alright, guys, so after breakfast at around 10 am, I decided to start my science revision. So, as you guys can see, I'm doing the chapter Our Environment, and of course, I've completed the revision for this chapter a couple of times before, but I'm rereading the chapter and going through the important points that I've marked for the pre board preparation.
That once I feel my eyes roll back in time to see my life, and I can't change the things I've done. So all I have is anesthesia.
So after I was done with my science revision, I decided to do my social map marking, which sounds a bit weird, like I was doing science and then all of a sudden jumped to social. But I had the map marking revision pending for a few chapters, so I just decided to get that over with. I've showed in my previous videos how exactly I do my map marking, so you guys can check those videos out to understand it completely. But here is a little preview. So guys, after I was done with both my science as well as social revision, I decided to take a little break, and since I had been cooped up inside my house for so long, I decided to go out for a walk. And this is me just showing off my colony, and because it's a very green place and I love walking around, and I decided to go with my mother and my brother actually, so here they are.
Take me away and all at once I feel my eyes roll back in time.
Alright guys, so after I was done with my walk at around 12 pm, I started doing a little bit of maths, and maths took me quite a lot of time because I wanted to do this entire chapter. So here is just a clip of me doing that, and I wanted to be like very aesthetic and sit with nature and do my studying. So this is just me like sitting by and enjoying the view while doing maths, and keep watching because towards the end of this clip there is also a cat that features. So yep.
I drift into another zone, another zone. The devil that you know is better than the devil that you don't. Oh, the devil that you don't. Oh, the devil that you all alone, all alone. I drift into another zone, another zone. The devil that you know is better than the devil that you don't. Oh, the devil that you don't. Oh, the devil. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so.
So at around 1:30, when I was pretty much done with my maths I revision, I decided to have lunch. So for my lunch, my mom decided to make something very different, and I decided to record that because it was so yummy and so pretty to look at. It was extremely appetizing. So here you go. So guys, after lunch at 2:30 p.m. I decided to do a little bit of social. So right now I'm doing lifelines of the Indian economy. So here I am, and of course don't mind the little like place change. The other table was like starting to get very annoying because I was always studying there. So I decided to change and switch to a new table. So this is me just referring to my social notes. These notes were actually not made by me but by my senior, and she was nice enough to lend them to me for this year. So yep, I'm just referring to those and getting my revision done.
You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that Louis V scarf or I'm chilling with a dad hat. Whoa, slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that. Yeah.
She's a Mona Lisa.
So after I was done with that, you guys, I decided to take like a long break, and for that I just prepared myself a bowl of chips and decided to rewatch the Netflix movie series of To All the Boys I've Loved Before. Of course, I've seen it before, but this time I decided to rewatch it to like journal it and to document it in my film journal. So this is what are the materials that I use for making my film journal. Just a bunch of stickers, fine liners, sketch pens, glue, and types of papers. And I've only recorded like 6 or 7 movies till now, but I plan on filling the complete book. So I decided to do movie series like this. So yeah.
There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
So this is basically the little setup that I have going for my film journal, and basically everything that I need is kept nearby me so that it's within my reach and I can just grab it if I need to use it. And I decided to share it with you guys.
And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under the subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet.
So guys, after I was done with the movie and everything at 6 p.m., I decided to just do like a little bit of revision by going through my flashcards. So that's what I'm doing here right now.
You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that year. Who really care what Simon say? All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that. Louis V scarf.
Finally, at night, I decided to pack for my pre-board. So this is a little pre-board checklist I created, which consists of hand sanitizer, my exam writing pad, and the books of the exam concerned. I had English, so the English exam, a mask, and the pouch. So the things I carry in my pouch are 2 blue pens and 2 black pens, a scale, of course, 2 pencils, a ball pen, and of course a sharpener and an eraser. Apart from this, I also carry the health and consent form, like documents that the school requires, but of course I did not show that because it contained personal information. But this is basically what I have to carry to school. So with that, we come to the end of this video, guys. Hopefully it was a good video and you guys enjoyed it. I tried to make it as aesthetic as possible. And anyways, I just basically came here to give you guys the shout out from my previous video, and these are the shout outs and the ones that are on the screen right now. In this video too, I have hidden like 4 questions, and if you are able to answer those questions within the first hour, then I will be giving you a shout out in my next video. So with all that being said, I'll see you guys in my next. Bye guys, and congratulations to all the shout out winners.